What's up? Just want to do a quick review slash install overview of this Tusk UTV fire extinguisher kit. It's pretty simple. They have two smaller clamps and then two bigger clamps. The bigger ones slide over the fire extinguisher and over the little black plate that comes with it and sucks it down to where that's tight right there. And then same with the smaller ones, they go over your roll cage and then over each end of this black mount. And then this fire extinguisher just hooks in there. So the only thing that I'm not happy about it with is that it's loose in there. So there's quite a bit of play. But I thought about running a zip tie around that in there, but that would probably look like shit. But just to kind of keep it from doing that. So that's kind of my review of it. I don't know if I would 100% recommend it, but if you have to just have one for an event or something and just got to get by, then I'd say it's a affordable purchase. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description for it, the one that I got, so you know which one I'm talking about. Thanks.